Welcome back to Western New York Living. I'm sure most of you can't remember when doctors used to make house calls. I've heard that was true back in the day. Well, at Windsong Radiology, they're taking a step back in time as they bring breast cancer screening into the future with their mobile screening mammography coach. As I found out, it's making it easier for all women to receive their yearly mammogram screenings without traveling to an office. When Windsong Radiology opened 30-plus years ago, I'm sure its founder, Dr. Janet Sung, never envisioned a day when world-class medical imaging would be done outside of a brick-and-mortar office. Fast forward to 2019, and the doctors, radiologists, and staff at Windsong understand bringing their mobile screening mammography coach to underserved communities is one of the best ways to reach a growing number of their patients.
We are finding that 67% of the women that we have seen are new to mammograms. So they've either never been screened or it's been more than 10 years that they have been seen for this exam. We are in all 8 counties of Western New York. Today we're in Niagara Falls at Dr. Lori's office. Tomorrow we're going to be in Clymer serving the Amish population. We are everywhere. The next day we're in Olean. You know, you can find us all over the 8 counties. We book appointment times based on what that community needs. So if they need later appointments, that's what we'll do. If they need very early morning appointments, that's what we do. It's really based on what the community needs from us. Patients must be over 40, in need of a yearly mammogram, and they must have a script from their doctor. If they don't, we can book them on a day when we have our PA working with us. She can write a script for them. They just need to be available for 30 minutes.
For Jamie and the rest of the staff on the mobile screening mammography coach, it's important to them to make every patient feel relaxed and comfortable during the entire screening process. They know it's important to point out that the technology being used in the coach is the same as it is in their main office.
The technology on the mobile unit is exactly what we have in our standing facilities. We have 3D tomosynthesis. We have the same radiologists that will read your exam at the brick and mortar are the ones who read your exam on our mobile unit. The cases are read the very next day. And if you have your prior images with you, it's important that we have prior images. The doctors need to see what your breasts looked like 2 years ago, 10 years ago, a year ago. If you don't have those, I am going to do everything in my power to get those images. Those cases are slightly delayed. We tell patients at their appointment that those images will be read as soon as we can obtain those priors. If you come to the mobile unit and you are far from our facilities, our brick and mortars, we will get you scheduled at another facility that's close to your home if you're in need of additional imaging.
The day I visited Windsong's mobile screening mammography coach, they had nearly 30 women scheduled for appointments. With numbers like that, it's understandable why doctors and staff at Dr. Frank R. Laurie and Associates have the coach stop out at their offices every 6 weeks.
It's really important that we have, women screened. We're really on top of our preventative visits for our patients and making sure they stay healthy. And one of the ways we do that for our women is this bus. And it just makes it easier for our patients to, obtain that care without traveling. And it's right here in our backyard.
Even though I only spent a short time on Windsong's mammography coach, one thing was made abundantly clear to me. The staff is very passionate about what they do, even though the entire process can seem rather simple to many of their patients.
They're getting screened. They're getting screened. They're doing what they should do for their health. And they're saving their own life by doing it.
To find out more about Windsong Radiology's mobile screening mammography coach, you can head over to their website at windsongwny.com/mobile. There you'll find information on where the coach will be throughout the community and how to schedule an appointment. You can also give them a call 929-9494 to speak to their helpful staff that can answer any questions you may have.